Magandang hapon! Kamusta kayong lahat? Time check! 5:35 na ng hapon. At pasensya na, kaka-start ko lang mag-vlog. Kasi hindi maganda yung pakiramdam ko simula pa kagabi. Kaya pasensya na din. Hindi ako nakapagpaalam sa inyo kagabi. Wala akong closing. Kasi nga, nung pagkadating namin, after ko magluto, after namin kumain ng dinner, ayun, inatake na ako ng sakit ng katawan, ng hilo, sabay-sabay. Alam niyo yung exhaustion or fatigue? Hanggang kanina, umaga, grabe ang sakit ng katawan ko, pati yung hilo ko. Pero, nandali lang. Lipat tayo. Ayan, so, ayun nga. Ngayon, okay na. Medyo okay na. Masakit pa din yung likuran ko. Pero, carry na yon. Kasi alam nyo ba, anniversary namin ngayon, 17 years anniversary. Wedding anniversary, 17 years. So, kaya, magse-celebrate kami. Simple celebration lang naman. At alam nyo ba kung saan kami magse-celebrate? Kakain kami ng chowmin. Wala namang Kakain kami ng chowmin dun kay Fufu. Yung binila namin last time na masarap. Simple celebration lang naman. Kaya maghapon akong nakahiga. As in ngayon lang ako tumayo para lang mag-celebrate ng aming anniversary. Yay! We are 17 years together as husband and wife. And 20 years together. Total. Total no? Ayun. So, maya naman ulit. Balitaan ko kayo. So, ayan. Nandito na kami sa shop ni Fufu. Bale, iti-take out na lang namin yung 4 na chowmin. Kasi sa bahay na lang kami kakain. And then, para kasama namin si Buwa at saka si Champ. And then, inom lang kami ng tea dito sa shop niya. So, eto siya. Ito yung paligid niya. Along the road. Ayan. Masarap kasi yung chowmin dito. Gusto ko yung lasa. Try namin to, drumstick. Tapos ito parang, ewan ko ano to, hotdog corn. Hotdog ata. Hot corn? Ano bang tawag doon ba? Kasi yan. Marami din silang customer pala doon sa loob. So, ito yung Shavale na sinasabi ko last time. Para siyang empanada, diba? Ayan Shavale. Pero magkaiba lang ng feeling. Tapos ito, corn dog pala. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. Ayan. So, ayan, our anniversary special. Trying street food. Umorder din kami ng Shavale. Try natin mamaya. So, ito ang sauce para sa momo. Ito yung sobrang anghang. Ito yung medyo maanghang lang siguro. Kasi sa kulay pa lang, anghang na. What you order, B?
2 Shavale, 2
drumstick,
2
lollipop.
Lollipop.
Okay. How much the corn dog?
Corn dog got you?
So, yun yung order namin. Dalawang drumstick. Tapos, 2 Shavale. Shavale yan. Tsaka, chicken lollipop. Okay. Anniversary special. So, ayan. Naglalakad pa din kami. Namili na kami ng chow mein. Ayun, hawak niya.
Vegetable salad.
Veg chow mein. Ano yon? 100 rupees ang per plate. So, 400 yon. Apat ang binili namin. At saka etong ano, naka 340 kami dito sa street food. And then, bibili naman kami ngayon ng cake. 200, 100 each. Yung lagi namin binibili ni Champ. So, less than 1,000 na anniversary. Okay na yon, masaya na kami doon. So, lakad lang tayo papunta doon sa bakery shop. Ayan ang way. Lakad-lakad lang tayo. Time check, nasa 6:30 na ng gabi. So, bale, ito na din yung magiging dinner namin. Para hindi na ako magluto. Ayun. Simple lang talaga. Simpleng celebration. Okay. Doon tayo sa may ano. Kasi mas gusto namin yung cake dito sa bakery. Yung bagong bakery na binibila namin compared dun sa bakery zone. Sarap ng flavor. Lakad lang tayo. Andito na tayo sa ano? Andito na tayo sa Dobicola. Punta tayo ng Nido Pool. Full cross. Ano yun, be? Tubo? That's sugar cane?
Huh? Yeah.
That's sugar cane?
Yeah.
So, ito, andito na kami sa ano. Sa may lagi naming dinadaanan. Sana meron red velvet. Naging favorite na namin yung red velvet. Ay, yung cream cheese kasi natikman namin pero hindi naman ganun kasarap. Ayan. Bili tayo ng red velvet. Ito, favorite namin. May gem. Ha?
Red velvet?
Red velvet. 2.
Okay, bitter.
Okay, nakabili na kami. And then, uwi na tayo. Let's celebrate. Diretso dapat. Let's celebrate! Uwi na tayo. Ayun. Where will go this side? Oh, Premji. Yung friend niyang taxi driver. Okay. Magandang gabi ulit. Nandito na kami sa sa kusina and mag-celebrate kami maya-maya kasi uminom pa ng gamot yung biyanan ko. So before siya kumain, kailangan niya uminom ng gamot. So for now, magchikahan muna tayo. Andito ang aking mister. So since anniversary namin, magkakaroon tayo ng simple heart-to-heart talk. Heart-to-heart talk daw. Ayan, meron siyang mic. So, lang tayo, reminisce ng konti tungkol sa buhay namin ngayon. So, start na tayo. Okay. So, what's your feeling now? How do you feel now that we are 17 years?
Growing older, getting stronger,
Yeah.
and blessed.
Yeah. That is the most important.
How about you?
Yeah. Feeling blessed. We've gone this far, 17 years, and more years to go. More farther to go.
Do you still remember our date of marriage?
Of course, maybe you not.
Okay, you tell.
March 24, 2008.
Ah.
Oh, which day that one? That March 24, 2008.
Well, I don't know the day, but I remember March 24, 2008.
Yeah, you repeat what I said.
No,
lang, eh.
I know that one. I
No,
know.
I think that was Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken.
Day, I don't know, but
Check ko mamaya
so
kung Tuesday nga.
what is the most memorable thing that this during this 17 years?
Of course, there's a lot of memorable.
The most that you remember all the
most-
times.
The most memorable during this marriage is, it's a bit hard to remember. It's a bit hard because there's a lot of, but the most memorable one is maybe when we were in a difficult situation, like just a current one, when you get sick and our faith becomes stronger. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Like that one. So I'm thankful that I'm by your side
Yeah.
when you get
We
sick.
are thankful.
Yeah. Because otherwise, if I'm in UAE, it's in difficult situation. And how
Yeah.
about you?
Mine, there are so many things that that we cherish, we remember. But the most memorable thing is, that when we go to the Philippines, that we spend with your family for the short time. I remember, it wasn't that much, important before, but now the Tatay has been, demised already. But I remember that it was dark, but we were walking on the morning walk. That is the most memorable thing for me now.
Pasensya na pagka talaga si tatay yung napag-uusapan. Medyo nagiging emotional ako. Wait lang ah. And then, so ayun, marami kaming ups and downs. Siyempre, normal naman sa mag-asawa yon. Pero ngayon, thankful kasi since nag-walk kami sa faith, we are walking in faith, we are growing stronger. So, ayun, ang munting, pasensya na naging emotional. And, ayun ang aming munting sharing, hindi, heart-to-heart talk sa inyo kasi maikli lang yung video na to. So, hopefully, magustuhan nyo ang aming munting celebration para sa aming 17th wedding anniversary. So, tara na! Kain na tayo! Ito ang aming menu.
This is the empanada.
This looks like empanada, di ba?
This is shabale. Okay, only this one.
So, ito yon. Ito yung favorite naming chow mein. Veg chow mein dun kay Pufu. Masarap kasi talaga siya. Ito yung cake ni Champ dun sa, ayan, alam niyo na kung saan natin binili. And then, okay, ayan, patapos na kaming kumain. Bale, cake na lang, tapos si Champ busog na din. Pero kakain pa siya ng cake. So, hanggang dito na lang muna ang aming video for today. Hopefully, nagustuhan nyo ang aming munting celebration. Nagustuhan eh, no? Hopefully, na-enjoy nyo ang aming munting celebration ngayong gabing ito, ngayong araw na ito. And maraming salamat po sa patuloy nyong panunood, sa patuloy na suporta na ibinibigay nyo sa amin sa araw-araw ng aming vlog. At lalo na sa hindi nyo po pag-i-skip ng ads, sobrang nagpapasalamat po kami. So, hanggang sa muli, please like, share, What was that? Okay, you tell something, B.
What shall I say? Thank you, everybody, for being a part of our life. And thank you for everybody for giving us advice to create a more creative contents and, inspiring us, motivating us. Thank you. I can say all thank you very much from bottom of our heart. This is SL family, simple living family.
Yes.
So we are always grateful for all you guys. Thank you.
So ayun, thank you so much. Magandang gabi everyone. God bless. Good night. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ginagawa mo. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, SL Nepal. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.